pretty now come back no yeah so or no worries about me. You see me run with a woman, drive with a woman.
You know what can happen.
Big man thing to you. I can't even talk put that on my events right now. You see me? If I think about my survival and my well-being right now. My health.
Quick, you believe in a fate?
See? Right now, I believe in any and everything. Because I never believe so I can walk on my chair. I live on my foot now. And that brother there where you bring come here. And they want to talk about him. That's one right in front door.
I not expect nobody.
What you mean you not expect nobody?
What you do here?
Yo, how old that? How old that, Tate?
A walk? That's a surprise.
Really? Am I pretty that?
I'm sorry, love. I let you down. Can we repair? Could loss be found? Just keep on fighting through all of your hurting. It's gonna be worth it because we're worth it. I'll take my chances on a love. Not for a second would I take it for granted. And after all we've
Actually, a walk.
never give up.
No, okay, I get it. Sorry. Let it come back, you know. But babes, about a month now, I send you a message and you don't reply back to me, you know. So you think you're done with me, you know?
One, never get the message from me. Come and change my phone. Yeah. And two, Shalom, we both needed the time. We need that.
Not that true. But to tell you the truth, I got through it. Emotionally, babes, I got through it. Miss you, you know?
Miss you too. Babe, I go through it too. Emotionally, physically, me missing you, me standing my grounds, like looking in the mirror every single day, saying, "We shall not get any better. When will you get better?" Shall I pray and fast day and night? You know, it's a prayer to see this and come back, come see. And as you can see,
Prinny, I know I got about sorry for everything. Sorry for everything, babe. Everything I'm gonna put you through. Sorry, I'm
sorry too. Very, very sorry. I'm never ever gonna hurt you again. I'm never ever gonna leave again. I promise you that.
But babes, I'm foreign you don't know, man. Foreign you stay. You'll come back come see with me.
Alright. So I come to a conclusion. I'm really gonna talk to you about now. Right?
Well done.
I'm not saying I'm gonna stay over there. I'm gonna go back there to give birth. And then come back and it'll be all yours.
Why you can't have the baby out here, sir?
Baby, you know say woman smart, don't you? The benefits are way better having the baby over there. So, then think about it.
I hear him. I got trust and believe. Anything you say about it. You know that.
Once that is done, I'm gonna be here. Mommy gonna take care of the baby.
So I have to call my babies. If I see my baby, Zoom on them something. FaceTime.
You say you have faith, right? And everything. And if you have faith enough for work, you gotta have faith enough for fly.
I say him drop the stick and run go to Prinny. No, he not really run, but they get what I mean. He not have a clue say she a come. Yeah, babe, you missed that. Alright, later. Here you go, Prinny.
Thank you, love.
You see you, Tony, and never write again. See. You want to look trickster, you know. See, you know, say she a come here, you keep that trouble. You know, my baby a come here.
Well, me do want to surprise the two of you. She never knows say you a walk, and you never know say she a come.
Exactly. You never tell me say my work. What kind of style that?
Me want to surprise the two of you.
Me tell you, say, you see, you want to look a mastermind and you want to look a detective, you know.
Yeah, what is what is it?
No easy thing. You know,
You
say,
gotta call me.
when I
Call
go,
me.
hmm?
Call me.
Say I talk from place.
No, you say this.
Hi, mums. What happened?
You know, I'm talking to my man right now. I'm talking to my baby father. I'm still talk to you. Love you, mommy. Yeah, but can I say your work?
Next time when you call, I'm tell you.
Sheldon, I think I'm over your nurse lady and sincere apology, and I thank you for this.
No, you know what I'm saying? Because after you go in and she cut same time,
Really?
how should you do this?
So Tony and I want to do this?
Make him tell you.
Sheldon, you can tell me why not. You can't put on your phone. Get the office and come back.
No, that I mean that call.
No call Daddy. Talk to me. Tell me all this go.
Yeah, that is a story within a story, a long story.